the ice giant of the solar system. Uranus, an enigmatic world. Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, is a fascinating object that remains largely unexplored. It is an enormous world, about 4 times the diameter of Earth and with 15 times its mass. Uranus is also very cold, with an average temperature of -320 to -350 degrees Fahrenheit. The planet is tilted on its side, with its poles pointed almost directly toward the Sun during summer. This is unlike any other planet in the solar system. Uranus also has a strange magnetic field that is shaped differently than Earth's and misaligned with the direction the planet spins. Scientists are eager to learn more about Uranus, but it is difficult to study from Earth. The planet is far away and shrouded in a thick atmosphere that makes it difficult to see its surface. The benefits of a Uranus mission. A mission to Uranus would have many benefits. It would allow us to study the planet's composition, its magnetic field, and its atmosphere in detail. It would also allow us to study Uranus's moons, which are some of the most interesting moons in the solar system. Several of Uranus's moons are large enough to be spherical and may have subsurface oceans of water. Finding out whether any of the moons have oceans is one of the major goals of a Uranus mission. A Uranus mission would also help us to understand the formation and evolution of ice giants. Ice giants are common throughout the galaxy, and they are very different from the terrestrial planets and gas giants. The planning for a Uranus mission. The 2023 Decadal Survey of Planetary Scientists ranked a Uranus mission as the single highest priority for a new NASA flagship mission. This means that NASA is considering funding a mission to Uranus in the next decade. A Uranus mission would be a very expensive undertaking, costing more than $1 billion. However, it would be a valuable investment that would provide us with a wealth of new knowledge about the solar system. The urgency of a Uranus mission. The study notes that an optimal window for a Uranus mission using a gravitational flyby assist of Jupiter exists in 2030 to 2034, while the same window for a Neptune mission runs from 2029 to 2030. Getting an orbiter to Uranus via an assist from Saturn could be carried out prior to 2028. However, it takes years of planning and construction to prepare a spacecraft for launch. That is why the time is now to start the process and fund a mission to Uranus. A Uranus mission would be a significant undertaking, but it would be a rewarding one. It would allow us to learn more about the formation and evolution of ice giants, and it would help us to search for life beyond Earth. As we conclude this virtual odyssey, we invite you to like and subscribe to our channel to embark on further cosmic explorations. With every click, you elevate our pursuit of knowledge and contribute to the collective understanding of our universe.